Welcome to HSS Security Solutions, serving Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Since 1997, we've been trusted to deliver professional security camera and access control systems for businesses, schools, healthcare facilities, government buildings, and residential properties across Middle Tennessee. We install high-quality CCTV and IP camera systems with secure wiring, professional mounting, and network integration. Our surveillance solutions include remote viewing, recording, and maintenance to ensure you always have reliable visibility of your property. Alongside cameras, we design and install complete access control systems, keypads, card readers, mobile credentials, and gate entry, to secure your facility and manage who enters your building. Whether you need protection for a small office, a retail store, or a large commercial campus, our licensed team builds systems that are code compliant, scalable, and backed by 24/7 monitoring. If you're in Murfreesboro or Rutherford County, call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-1400 or visit hsssecurity.net. Trusted since 1997 to protect Middle Tennessee with cameras and access control.